Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook eel fish Naga style. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Choose fresh eel, ideally around 150 to 200 grams each. Thoroughly clean the eel, ensuring all slime and internal organs are removed. Then, cut the cleaned eel into uniform 2-inch pieces. This preparation is crucial for achieving the authentic Naga flavor and texture in our dish. Now, let's move on to marination, a key step for infusing flavor. Combine your eel pieces with a generous pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well, ensuring each piece is coated. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. This allows the spices to penetrate deeply, setting the stage for a truly delicious Naga-style eel. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan until it shimmers. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until golden brown. Next, add 1 chopped tomato and cook until it softens. Now, introduce the marinated eel pieces. Cook on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. For that distinct Naga taste, add about 1/4 cup of thinly sliced fermented bamboo shoot during the last 5 minutes of cooking. Almost there. Once the eel is tender and the gravy has thickened to your liking, it's time for the final touches. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Serve this delicious Naga-style eel hot, ideally alongside a bowl of fluffy steamed rice or traditional sticky rice. Get ready to savor the rich, smoky, and spicy flavors of authentic Naga cuisine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.